Now we have to print this star pattern with the help of nested for loop. Here we can see we have 3 rows and 3 columns. So we have to use nested for loop for the star pattern. Hash include stdio.h, then int main. I have to take 2 integer variables, integer I and j. Now I'm starting my first for loop for I equals to, in this row we have to print 1 star. So I equals to 1. For first row we have to do this. We are doing this for first row. For I equals to 1, semicolon, I is less than equals to, how many rows we have? 1, 2, 3. 3, semicolon, I plus plus. Now for j equals to 1, semicolon, j is less than equals to. Now we can see that in first row we have first 1 star. First row we have 1 star. In second row we have 2 columns. In third row we have 3 stars in 3 columns. So what we have to do? We have to go up to j is less than equals to I. Means if the value of I is 1, it is going to print 1 star. When the value of I is 2, it is going to print 2 star. When the value of I is 3, it is going to print 3 star. So we have to give condition that j is less than equals to I, semicolon, j plus plus, and here I have to print within double quotes star, double quotes close, bracket close, semicolon, and here I am printing new line corrector. Close all the brackets of for loop, return 0. First we'll save a program. Build it. Showing. So it has printed our star pattern. So how it is working? We have to print the star pattern. We have 3 rows and 3 columns here. We have to keep this thing in mind that if the row number is 1, it is going to print 1 star. There's one row number is 1, column is 1, then 1 star. Row number is 2, then we have to print 2 star. Row number is 3, then we have to print 3 star. So here I have taken 2 integer variables I and j. Here I have initialized I with 1. I is less than equals to 3 because we have to go up to row 3. Now it comes here j equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to I. 1 is less than equals to I. I is 1. So it will print 1 star. Then value of j is 2. 2 is less than equals to I. Here the value of I is 1. Then 2 is less than equals to I, condition is false. So what it will do, it will print this star, and after that it will come to new line, and then it will go to I and increase the value of I by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. Now it will initialize j with 1. Now j, that means 1 is less than equals to 2, because now the value of I is 2. Here it will come and print the value of I, print star. Again it will go up here, making j2. Now 2 is less than equals to 2, condition is true. It will again print the star. Again it will go up, making j3. 3 is less than equals to 2, condition is false. So after printing this star for 2 times, it will go to next line. That means it has come here. Now from here it will go here and increase the value of I by 1, making it 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 3. Yes. Now value of I is 3. j equals to 1, 1 is less than equals to 3, it will print first star. J equals to, now the value of j is 2, 2 is less than equals to 3, it will print second star, that means this star. Now it will again go up, increase the value of j by 1, making it 3, 3 is less than equals to 3, it will print third star, 4. Now 4 is less than equals to 4, condition is false, it will go to next line. From here it will go to I, increase the value of I by 1 and making it 4. Now 4 is less than equals to 3, condition is false, so loop will terminate here. Now next pattern which we have to print is this pattern. It has 3 rows, row number 1, row number 2 and row number 3 and 3 columns. Column number 1, column number 2 and column number 3. And by this, seeing this pattern, we can easily identify that it is printing column number. Column, when it is in column 1, it is printing 1. When it is in column 2, it is printing column 2. And when it is in 3, it is printing 3. So by making small change in previous program, we can easily print this pattern. So here it is, we can see that it is printing column number, and here in for loop we have used j to print column. So here we'll be printing j, and j is of type integer. We have to print integer value of it. So we'll using format specifier %t, and here I'm printing j. Save the program, build it, and then run it. So this is the pattern which we have got. So how it is working? Value of I is 1. 1 is less than equals to 3. Condition is true. Now it will initialize j with 1. 1 is less than equals to I. It is then it is printing the value of j as 1. It will again go up, increase the value of j by 1. Now 1 is less than equals to 1. It will make the value of j as 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 1. Condition is false. Then it will go to other line. Other line means now it has come, control has come here. Now it will again go up and increase the value of I by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3. Yes, it will again come here and initialize j with 1. Now 1 is less than equals to 2. Condition is true. It will print the value of j as 1. Again it will go up, increase the value of j by 1 and making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 2. Condition is true. It will print j as 2. That means it has printed both 1 and 2. Now it will again go up, increase the value of j by 1, making it 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 2, condition is false, so it will come to next line. Next line means that it has come here, control has come here in the third line. Now from here it will go here and make the value of I 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. Now j is 1, j is less than equals to 3, it will print the value of j as 1, it has printed this 1. Now it will again go up, making j 2. 2 is less than equals to 3. Again it is true. It will print j as true 2. It has printed this 2. Again it will go up, increase the value of j, making it 3. 3 is less than equals to 2. Condition is 3 is less than equals to 3. Condition is true. Then it will print j as 3. Again it will go up, making it 4. 4 is less than equals to 3. Condition is false. So it will go to next line. After that it will again come here and increase the value of I by 1, making it 4. Now 4 is less than equals to 3, condition is false, then it will terminate the program. Third pattern which we have to print is this pattern. So we can see that it is printing row number 1, row number 2 and row number 3. So what we have to do it, instead of printing j in previous program, we have to print j is column, so we have to print here row. For row we are using I. Save the program and run it. So it has printed our pattern 1 2 2 3 3 3. How it is working now here? I is 1. 1 is less than equals to 3. Condition is true. Now j is 1. 1 is less than equals to 1. Condition is true. It will print I. Value of I is 1. It has printed 1. It will go here up. it will increase the value of j by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 1, condition is false. So what it will do, after printing this one, it will come to this line. So it has come to second line, second row. Now from here it will go to external for loop and increase the value of I by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. It will again go to internal for loop and initialize j with 1. Now 1 is less than equals to 2, condition is true. It will print I, value of I is 2. Again it will go up, increase the value of j from 1 to 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 2, condition is again true. It will print I as 2. It will again go up, making j 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 3, condition is false, so it will go to next line. So from here, now it will go to this line. Now it will again go to I and increase the value of I from 1 by 1 and making it 3. 3 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. Now again j is 1, 1 is less than equals to 3, it will print 3. Again it will go up, j is 2, 2 is less than equals to 3, it will print 3 here. Again it will go up, increase the value of j by 1, making it 3. 3 is less than equals to 3, condition is true, it will print 3. Again it will make j 4, 4 is less than equals to 3, condition is false, it will go to next line. Means it has printed this line. Now it has come to next line. Here it will increase the value of I from 3 to 4. Now 4 is less than equal to 3. No, condition is false. So loop will terminate. Our next pattern we have to print is this pattern. Now by seeing this pattern we can easily say that it is neither printing row nor column. So to print this pattern we have to take one more variable and we have to continuously increase the value of that variable by 1. So hash include stdio.h is our header file, int main. Here I am taking 3 integer variables, integer I, j and k. Now here I am initializing the value of k with 1. I am starting my external for loop. I am starting with I equals to 1 because we can for it is for row number 1. I equals to 1 means row number 1. Semicolon, I is less than equals to, how many rows we have to print? Row number 1, 2 and 3. So we will write 3 here. Semicolon, I plus plus. Now for j equals to 1, j equals to 1 means for column number 1, so put semicolon, j is less than equals to I. Why I am giving this condition? We can easily see that when row is 1, it is only printing first column. When row number is 2, it is printing 2 columns. When row number is 3, it is printing 3 columns. So I have given j is less than equals to I. Semicolon, j plus plus. Here I will be printing the value of k. Printf within double quotes %d, because we have to print the value of k, not k only. We don't have to print k character. So here I have printed k, and after this line I am increasing the value of k by 1, and here I am giving printf within double quotes \n, put semicolon, and here return 0. Save the program and build it, run it. So it has printed our pattern. So how this program is working? Initially we have taken the value of k as 1. Now I am running my external for loop. This is for row. For I equals to 1, that means for row equals to 1, 1 is less than equals to 3. Now j equals to 1, j is less than equals to I, that is 1 is less than equals to I, condition is true, it will print the value of k as 1. Here it will increase 1 in the value of k and make it 2. Now control will go to internal for loop and increase the value of j by 1. And now j is 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 1. Condition is false. So after printing this 1, control will go to next line with this statement. So now our control is here. Now it will print 2 and 3 respectively. So after coming to next line, it will go to external for loop and increase the value of I by 1. Now the value of I is 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. So for this 2, for internal for loop will run for 2 times. For j equals to I, for j equals to 1, 1 is less than equals to 2, condition is true. It will print the value of k as 2. Then j is now here j will become 2. 2 is less than equals to 2, condition is true. It will print j as 3, sorry, k as 3. And here it will increase the value of k with 1 and make it 4. Again it will go here, increase the value of j by 1, making it 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 2, condition is false, so it will come to next line. It will print 4, 5 and 6. For next line it will come here in our program. After this it will go to the external for loop and increase the value of I by 1, making it 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. Now this internal for loop will run for 3 times for this I equals to 3. So j equals to 1, 1 is less than equals to 3, it will print the value of k, and here the value of k is, it will print as 4. It will make k 5. It will again go to j and increase its value by 1, making it 2. 2 is less than equals to 3. Condition is true. It will print k as 5. It will increase the value of k by 1, making it 6. It will again go here, making j 3. 3 is less than equals to 3. Condition is true. It will print k as 6. It will increase 1 in the value of k, making it 7. It will again go here, it will make j 4. Now 4 is less than equals to 3, condition is false, so it will come to next line with this code. Again it will go to external for loop and increase the value of I by 1, making it 4. Now 4 is less than equals to 3, condition is false, so here our program terminates.